So good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so today we are here for the PP&TT session now, picture perception and discussion test. We have already conducted your OIR test and then today we are going to conduct your PP&TT part. In this, we will be showing you a picture for 30 seconds and then you will be given 1 minute to fill the box details as well as the action part. Okay, then you will be given 4 minutes to write the story around it. Clear? Yes. After that, we will be doing your individual narration and group discussion. Okay, so now kindly fill the initial details on the page which we have given to you. We have given you a A4 sheet, okay, on which you can see over the top it is written as your chest number, then your name, then today's date and your age part. Clear? Below it you can see a box, square box. It is the exact replica of your screen. Clear? In which you have to fill the details of the characters, the number of characters shown, their mood, their age and their gender. Clear? Basically there's SAM, sex, age and mood. Clear? Okay. Sex could be male, female. If you can't define it, you can write it as a person and can denote it by P. Male will be denoted by M and female will be denoted by F and person will be denoted by P. Age can be in numbers, okay? Any number you can write for the age part which you can observe, as well as for the mood part you can write positive, negative and neutral, okay? Okay, so we'll be starting the activity now and in this we will be showing you a picture. So all eyes on screen now, clear? Okay, so the picture will remain on the screen for 30 seconds. All eyes on the screen. Okay, time's up, pens down. Pens down, all of you. Okay, stop writing. Okay, gentlemen, so now you have written a story on a picture which was shown to you for 30 seconds. Then you were given a 1 minute to write the box details as well as to 4 minutes to write the story around it. Okay, so now we are proceeding towards the next set of tasks in which you will be presenting your individual narration for the story part. Okay, and after that, once test number 201 will start her narration, we will go till test number 166 in the same manner. You have to remain seated over here and you have to address the group for the same. Okay. The language to be used is English, but if in case you stuck in between, you can switch to Hindi, but you have to again switch back to English as soon as possible. Clear? Okay. Then after the narration of test number 166 will be completed, the GD will automatically start without any warning signs or bell signs. Clear? The main motive behind GD is to come to the common story and to frame a common story because you all are coming from the different parts of the countries. Okay, you have to come to the common story part. Okay, you must have perceived the picture differently, you must have got various ideas, but over here in the GD part you have to coordinate well and you have to come to the common story. Clear? Okay, at last we will be nominating one person among yourself who will be narrating the common story to us. Clear? All things clear? Yes, sir. Shall we proceed with the activity now? Yes, sir. Okay, we'll start with test number 201 till test number 166. The time limit is 1 minute. If in case we get the idea what you are trying to convey, so we can say next. Okay, or otherwise you are taking too much of time of us, then again we can say next. In that case you have to keep quiet yourself and the other person will start speaking. Clear? Shall we start now? Yes. Okay, start.
Of a homemaker. Rima is a 20-year-old lady. She is a homemaker. On her breakfast table, she informed her family member that she is interested in preparation of UPSC CSE. Her family members encouraged her and she started preparation. Before starting preparation, she analyzed the UPSC syllabus using the AI technologies. She gathered all the information and collected the books and started her preparation with the managing household chores as well as her study. With the continuous study and determination, she was able to clear the exam and she set an example for her neighbors female. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture which was shown to us, I have perceived 3 characters, 2 males and 1 female. Their ages lies between 20 to 46 years. Their mood being positive. The action of my story is anniversary celebration and my story goes as follows. A man 20 years old was pursuing BTech from GLA University, Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. He noticed as the marriage anniversary of his parents was approaching, he decided to give them a surprise party. He decorated home, purchased candles, balloons and also invited guests and arranged the music system. When the guests arrived, they played, danced and enjoyed the function. After that, when the guests left, he ensured that they safely reached to their homes, and after that the family members sat down on the dining table discussed and spent some couple of moments with each other. Aman was happy to see the smile on his parents' face. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture which was shown to us, I have perceived three characters, two male and one female. Their age lies between 48 years to 72 years, and their mood being positive. The action part of my story is discussing about the marriage plan of the son. Prabhat, 48-year-old government employee in the Department of the Health Care. He was discussing about the marriage plan of his son with his wife and his father. Prabhat set the venue and other things and invite the relatives to attend the marriage of his son, and manage the revenue and other things and that's it.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture shown to us, I perceive three characters, two male and one female. The age group lying between 30 to 50 and the overall mood being positive. The action of my story is to taking care of parents. Vijay, a 37-year-old employee in a presidency company, his father was having problems in his health recently. He and his wife sat together with him and told him about the different checkup plans available nowadays due to the increasing technology. He took his father to the nearby hospital to get his checkup, and then there he discovered some minor problems for which the doctor gave proper medications, and then with his father he returned back to home. His father agreed with his son that with aging it is required, medical checkups are required on regular basis. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. From the picture that was shown to us, I have perceived three characters, two male and one female. Their age lies between 25 to 65 years old, and the overall mood being positive. The action of my story is dining with the family, and it's like this. Virat, a 25-year-old chef, is a very good chef. He enjoys cooking food for his family. Once he prepared a dinner for his father and wife, as they are the only person in their family. They enjoyed their meals and talked about their day, and then washed their dishes and went to sleep. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture which was shown to us, I perceive three characters, two being male and one female. Their age lies between 24 to 52, and their mood being positive. The action of my story is dinner with family members. Arjun, 24 years man, he wanted to join Indian Army from his childhood, for which he attempts many NDA attempts, but he is not able to make it. Then he got demotivated, but then his father motivated him and told him that he can join he can still join Indian Army after graduation. Then he did his graduation and gave his CDS attempt, and he got recommended. After training and after becoming an officer, he took his mother and father on a dinner, and they enjoyed very much, and all are happy and satisfied with happy and satisfied for Arjun. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture which was shown to us, I perceived three characters, two being male and one female. Their age lying between 28 to 65 years old. Their mood being positive. The action of my story is remembering the experiences of army life. Rajiv, a 65-year-old retired major from the Indian Army, was retired and was happy with his daughter Sunita. One day Sunita came to him and told him about the love of her life, and who was serving in the Indian Air Force, and wanted him to meet his father. Rajiv invited them on a dinner at his home and was set to meet them. After the dinner, they both talked about the experiences of the army life and the Air Force life. They talked about the problems and the discussion about the relationships between India and other countries, the problems of the Indian air defense and other things. Later, they both went happy and satisfied. Rajiv was proud on her daughter for the choice of her life. Thank you.
There are three characters,
As we all
two being male and one female, and their age lies between 24 to 52.
Gentlemen, as we all agree on the number of characters, which are three, and there is an old man whose age lying about 65 of the story.
The action should be discussing about the air technology.
that if
But gentlemen, it was
by the body
it
language,
was dining
the
table.
old person looks like an old veteran of the Indian Army
it was
or any
dining
defense
table.
system.
It was dining
The old man looks like a personnel of the Indian Army who is retired and is happy as it is home. So the action would be something related to
Agree
the
with
old man.
test number 166. Agree with test number 166. It was under army officer and
or maybe a government employee also.
The scene looks like of a dining table where the dining table is set for three and they might be meeting for the first time where they will be talking about their
we
experiences
can go with
and other things.
their army officer and they are talking about their experience and their
I agree
duties.
with chess number 166.
We must
I agree
move
with
on.
family member discussing about defense life in their home.
I agree with issue number
I agree
18.
with
Now we would move on talking about the action of the story. Since the characters have been
The action of this story should be, as just number 80 and 180 have suggested, that as just number 80 have suggested that the action of this story should be about preparing of exam, and as just number 180 have suggested that the action should be that action.
We already studied this one dining table.
Since the scene looks very casual, there must not be some major problems or anything else. We must be taking it as a casual approach, talking about dinner and some common family matters.
From the pictures which was it's clear that they are family members who are busy about the army life.
The action, I agree with check number 201. Action of the story should be discussing about the army life and the problems in the Indian air defense system.
Yes, completely.
Agree with test number 166.
Now we should discuss what problems are they discussing.
They are discussing about their life.
About the problems in
the
the
army and he is explaining his experience about his life at the army.
I agree with chess number
Agree with
18.
test number 18.
The old man is sharing his experience along with his daughter and his son-in-law.
And the problems right now is
Gentlemen, we should define the role of the woman. I think it's important to define the role of the woman. According to me, she must be the daughter of that old
She must be the daughter of the old man sitting in as a veteran of the Indian Army.
and they're discussing about
technology we are using right now. The differences on
Partially agree with
I agree with chess number 236 about talking about the technology is a major concern in these days, and this is
conclusion they are sitting together and discussing about
So they are comparing.
the conclusion should be very happy. They all ate, left home happy and were happy with the meeting.
And sisters are listening.
We can also add they are talking about AI.
I agree with chess number 96. We can also go on with the matter of brother and sister as
talking about AI and how
AI is more banned for city.
yes, they are as completely in just number 96. The old person is the retired army officer.
sir, and he might be talking about addressing the problem.
And the young person is also army
The young person is also a serving officer in the Indian Army.
about the
new current warfare
Yeah.
situation.
I agree with chess number 197 about talking about the new current problems and scenarios going on with the India during these years and the problems of India being with the in a 2.5 front war.
War and
advantages of the air defense system in the Operation Sindoor and
They also discussed that what are the further steps that they have to take.
let's summarize this. Let's summarize everything. Let's summarize everything.
I think we should come to a common conclusion.
Let's summarize everything.
So the common conclusion consists of three characters. One is the army retired officer, the other male is a serving officer, the female is the daughter of the old man. They are discussing about the experiences of army and how the current scenario is different towards the old
We can give some force to female also.
importance of the air defense system in our country.
We can take the sister and aspiring UPSC officer as she is asking what their experience is, what they experience in the defense and border, and about the problems in their country as inside.
Maybe female is also serving for
I partially agree with chess number 96.
As just number 201 has suggested that they must be talking about solving the problems of the modern warfare.
Okay, gentlemen, quickly nominate one person. Quickly nominate one person who will give the common group story. Okay?
Yes, I nominate.
Okay. Who is 166? Okay, remain seated and narrate the common story.
Thank you. The group has come to a common story, which is something like the picture was of three characters, two being male. One is an old man who is a retired army officer. The other male is a serving candidate in the Indian Armed Forces. They are both in a common at a dinner, at a casual dinner at the house of the old man. They are talking about the problems and the current scenarios about the warfare and the air defense system which was in the nearest Operation Sindoor used by the Indian Armed Forces. They both had their problems and they both agreed upon their solutions and the way forward to the current scenario of the Indian.
Okay, gentlemen, we got the idea. Thank you so much. And you all can leave now and you can wait for your results. Clear? Yes. Okay, so gentlemen, ready for the results part now? Excited enough? Nervous? Yes, sir. Are you feeling nervous? देखिए जो होना था वो हो चुका है. But now let's come to the results part. Okay. So I'll be calling the chess numbers. Okay. So they have to get up. Okay. And at last, rest all of you will clap for them. Okay. To motivate them. See, basically यहाँ पे सभी ने अच्छा किया है. But the thing is कि हमें और perfect अभी होना पड़ेगा. Clear है? अभी और improvement की ज़रूरत है. तो regular practice sessions जो हो रहे हैं उनमें participate करना है. बेटर परफॉर्म करना है, फीडबैक्स लेने हैं और ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ते रहना है. क्लियर है? ओके, रेडी फॉर द रिजल्ट्स नाउ? ओके, मैं बीच में बाद में फीडबैक्स भी दूंगा उस चीज़ के लिए आपको. ठीक है? ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल चेस नंबर 152 गेट अप. चेस नंबर 236 गेट अप. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल जेंटलमैन, क्लैप फॉर देम. ओके, प्लीज बी सीटेड, बैठ जाइए. ओके, कुछ ऐसे कैंडिडेट्स भी थे जो कि डाउटफुल में रखा गया उन्हें. ओके, एंड वो भी स्क्रीन होने के काफ़ी ज़्यादा पोटेंशियल है मतलब उनके अंदर. ठीक है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्लोज हैं ऑलमोस्ट. सो मैं उनके चेस नंबर्स भी आपके सामने रिकॉल करना चाहूँगा. ओके ओके, सो चेस नंबर 236 सॉरी 266 नहीं 166 सॉरी. ओके, सो मैं उनके चेस नंबर रिकॉल करना चाहूँगा. चेस नंबर 166. ओके, आप वर्क कीजिए अपने ऊपर. ओके, एंड अभी स्टोरी पार्ट में आपको काफ़ी वर्क करना है अपना. क्लियर है? अदरवाइज आपके चांसेस हैं, बट आपने जो कॉमन स्टोरी ढंग से नहीं प्रेजेंट कर पाया आप उस पर ध्यान दीजिएगा आप. ठीक है, और जीडी पार्ट में थोड़ा बेटर करिए. क्लियर है? रेस्ट हमारे पास और भी ऐसे कैंडिडेट्स हैं जैसे कि चेस नंबर 80 काफ़ी ठीक परफॉर्म किया आपने, बट जीडी वाले पार्ट में आपको डायरेक्टली कंक्लूजन पे जंप नहीं करना है. एटलीस्ट आप कंट्रीब्यूट अच्छे से करिए. ओके, चेस नंबर 80 क्लियर है? एंड चेस नंबर 27 आई नो आप में पोटेंशियल है. प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा काम रहिए, शांति के साथ उस चीज़ को करिए, कंटिन्यू करिए एंड ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस बेस्ट देते जाइए अपना. ओके, परफॉर्मेंस को नीचे नहीं लेके जाना है, अच्छा करना है हमको. ठीक है ना? चेस नंबर 96 हाईली पोटेंशियल कैंडिडेट हैं आप भी, बट नरेशन पार्ट में अभी आप थोड़े से दिक्कतें कर रहे हैं. ओके, आपका नरेशन सही जाता है बट बीच में फंबल होने लग जाता है, उस चीज़ पे आपको काम करना है. क्लियर? रेस्ट 131 भी काफ़ी पोटेंशियल कैंडिडेट है अभी के हिसाब से, बट अभी वर्क करना है आपको नरेशन पार्ट पे, स्टोरी पार्ट पे. ओके, आपके स्टोरी के फीडबैक्स हमारे साइकोलॉजिस्ट सर ने दे रखे हैं, आप इनको इंडिविजुअली गो थ्रू कर सकते हैं. क्लियर है? ताकि आपको एक बेटर आइडिया लग जाए आपने क्या मिस्टेक्स कमिट करी हैं, आप वो मिस्टेक्स ना कमिट करें. ओके, एंड फाइनल रिव्यूज़ मैं आपको जल्दी प्रोवाइड करूंगा मिलने के बाद. ठीक है, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू एवरीवन. जय हिंद. बैठो बैठो बैठो, अब सुनो सुनो सुनो. उसका नरेशन भी ठीक था, बट द थिंग इज कि जो कॉमन स्टोरी उसने सुनाई किस तरीके से सुनाई एकदम. और जीडी में भी सर क्या दिक्कत दे रहा था जीडी में?
GD में he is very disruptor, like continuously he was speaking. That if anyone will do, you will be kick out.
कोई सेंसिबल चीज बोले तो बात भी है. बोल वो भी रहा था, 152 भी बोल रहा था. ठीक है, काफी टाइम तक उसने बोला अच्छे अच्छे पॉइंट्स, लेकिन वो गैप्स ढूंढ के बोलता था. ठीक है, उसके पॉइंट्स वैलिड होते थे, समझ में आते थे. एक चीज 152 ने भी गलती करी थी. गलती आपने क्या करी थी वो सुनिए आप. आपने क्या कहा था, जब आपको एक बार बीच में अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली थी आप उसको ग्रैब नहीं कर पाए थे. इवन अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार 180 को भी मिली, बोलने के लिए मौका मिला, लेकिन नहीं बोल पा रहे जीडी में. ऐसे गैप्स को आप छोड़ोगे आउट हो जाओगे. 236 थोड़ा सा वॉइस को तेज करना पड़ेगा जीडी के टाइम पे. इतनी लो वॉइस में बोलोगे शायद नहीं हो पाओ. आज भी डाउटफुल के केस में आप हुए हो. ठीक है ना? बेटर करना पड़ेगा हमें. ओके, 180 प्लीज़ वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ. देखिएगा स्टोरी में क्या दिक्कत है, नरेशन पार्ट में क्या है. 80 चेस नंबर 80 सब सही जा रहा है. ठीक है, बट हमें अभी और बेहतर करना पड़ेगा अगर हमें शॉर्ट स्क्रीन इन होना है तो. क्लियर है? 272 आज थोड़ा सा परफॉर्मेंस ठीक रहा है, बट अभी परफेक्शन का लेवल नहीं आ पाया है. ठीक है ना? पहले के अटेम्प्ट से बेटर होते जा रहा है धीरे धीरे. 124 नरेशन पार्ट थोड़ा सा ठीक गया आपका. ओके, एंड बट आपको जीडी में थोड़ा कंट्रीब्यूट करना पड़ेगा अभी. ओके, स्टोरी वाइज भी थोड़ा देखिएगा. ठीक है, कम्युनिकेशन में थोड़ा सा दिक्कत है, राइटिंग का भी इशू है आपका भी. 272 हैंड राइटिंग का इशू है आपका. ओके, 96 नरेशन फाइन है, थोड़ा सा लाइवलीनेस लेके आओ अपने अंदर. ऐसे उदास क्यों बैठे रहते हो? हाँ, थोड़ा सा मुस्कुराओ, दोस्तों से बातचीत करो थोड़ा सा. क्लियर है? तो वो पार्ट थोड़ा सा देखिए अपना, और नरेशन बेटर बेस्ट दीजिए एक्चुअली. ठीक है, 197 थोड़ा सा एक्टिव रहना है हमको. क्लियर है? कंफ्यूज आत्मा बन के नहीं घूमना है. 265 कैजुअली नहीं लेना है. छोटा सा क्या हो गया? 5 ब्लंडर खुद नोटिस किया आपने, चलिए गुड, नाइस। 131 हम बेटर कर सकते हैं अभी, ठीक है। 131 का डाउटफुल रहा है नरेशन में, ठीक है, और बेटर हो सकता है वो, क्लियर है। 166 आपको मैं ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ, प्लीज़ अपने जीडी पार्ट में थोड़ा सा और अच्छे से पॉइंट्स रखिए, ठीक है ना, सिर्फ बोलने के लिए नहीं बोलना है, वो बोलने का एक इंपॉर्टेंस हो इसलिए बोलना है, क्लियर है।